Anybody know what I'm doing here? Yes, the front brake, rear light switch, brake light switch. And that dude is right there. It's the very back one. And because if you follow the wiring, if you follow this hydraulic line, it goes to the rear. It's kind of like, So what I have found to do is take this little deal right here, and you can hook it. Let me set this up. Whoopsie. Yeah, I didn't get situated, but I'm about to run out of battery. You take this right here, this little, let's see, where is it? Yeah, right in there. And you, my camera set up. And you take your, take this little tool right here, and you push it. This is not really meant, this got bent up. You can use something a little bit shorter. You can actually ground these off. You can get these little seal remover tools. Anyway, what you'll want to do is hook right on that little tab right there. You can kind of see it right there. And when you hook onto it, you'll feel it. You'll lightly pull it, and it'll pop right off. Pretty easy. You don't have to take the whole gas tank out, so off or nothing like that. I'm going to swap these things. Now the other one, which I'm glad that the rear brake, they always seem to say the front brake, brake lever, light switch is what goes bad, which is it's the rear one. So you just take it, and we got a magnet on there. You take this little deal right here, and you go up in here like this, and you hook it on that thing, on that little, just like that. See how I did it? Just like that, and it comes unhooked. So you'll want to get something to pull that back. So, you should be able to take it off. I'm thinking, I haven't tried to unscrew it yet, but it feels like it goes up high enough to get out of the way. Probably, maybe. But we'll find that out here in a minute. I'm running out of battery on my camera. So, and you can give that a try on your 790 or your 890 KTM adventure bikes with a tank there that, that you take a few pieces off. You just take your seat off and your battery compartment off, unhook a few things, and you get to it right there. So, thought I'd let anybody know that wants to replace the front brake light switch, especially if they're having problems with cruise control not working. That's the fix.